Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Dr. Sharma. Time is precious than anything in this world. If you respect time, time respects you. So, without wasting our time, let's start our topic. In this video, I am not going to show any new strokes to practice, but I wish I would revise all the completed strokes once again. So, observe and practice carefully to improve neat handwriting. Shall we start? Okay. First one, have you practiced all? Downwards to upward, upwards to downward, downwards to upward. Second one, downwards to upward. And third one, top to bottom. Fourth one, top to bottom left. Fifth one, downwards to upward. Sixth one, top to bottom right. Okay. And seventh one, this practice should know. Fifth plus fourth one, this you have to practice. Continuously. And eighth one, left and right, both together, not like curve, it's like oval shape. Okay. And ninth one, now you know this one and you know this one. Oh, one more small. These three together you have to practice to write A. Okay, ninth one, 10th one, you know C, right? We practice now and C together how we have to write. Okay, see. And once again also see how you have to practice. This is it. And we practice 11th one also. A. Okay, and I will show you how to practice AC together. Once again, or once again also AA only, please observe. Okay friends, once again I show you now. CA together. CC practice. This is CC. Here practice. We have to practice CC. Okay, this is CC. Once again I show you. And I show you now. AA. Friends, I am showing this again to observe. We observe, you can practice properly. This is A. Okay, and last ones I will show you. C A and AC. Okay friends, practice all these strokes. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.